We're going to talk about union. So first, we're going to use a dictionary. So in your Visual Basic for applications, go to Tools, References, and make sure Microsoft Scripting Runtime is checked. Click OK. We're going to create these variables. Notice that this is a collection, it's got a variant. We're going to set test1 as sh data, shit2 at shidest. Declare these variables. Set the dict equal to scripting dictionary. Here it's declared as long. So it's going to take shidata, which is test1, the range C right here, and then rows.count and Excel up.row. So when you do rows.count, what does that mean? So if we take the test1 sheet and ask for rows.count, it's going to give you a value of 1,048,576. Your C, 1,048,576, starting from the bottom. And then N is control. Excel up is the up arrow. It's going to get the number of that row. So for example, if I want to click on C18, and then I press Control up arrow, it'll take me to row 6. And this group column thing is going to collect the range B1 to B6 value, the values of B1 to B6. So it's going to group col B1 to B6. So let's run through this. So we hit F8. Then this is going to select this. So this represents GRPCOL. And then we're going to loop through this. So for I equals 1, we're going to get the value of this group over here, row 1, column 1, and there's only one column. So you'll see it print out in the immediate window on the bottom, so column 2. See it loop through that. And then we're going to set the range equal to what you see there. We're going to copy the range. Right there, A1 to A6, D1 to E6. And then we're going to paste that to sheet 2, which is the shidest setting. Sheet 2, shidest. This is going to print the range's address. A1 to A6, D1 to E6, just like over here. So we go to sheet 2. You can see that I printed column 1, column 4, and column 5, column 1, column 4, and column 5.